Connect Tracker to a mail server for generating email notifications. Please note this video only applies to on-premises installations of Tracker. If you are using the cloud version, the mail server has been configured on your behalf. Click here to configure global email settings. Select this option to configure the mail server to be used with Tracker. It is recommended that you install the mail server included with Windows and point Tracker to it using 127.0.0.1. This will significantly speed up operations that send email notifications such as adding, editing, tasking, or deleting records. You can then use the Smart Host to route the messages to your actual mail server for distribution. Click on the context-sensitive help link for more information about configuring the local mail server. Scroll down to find a link to a knowledge base article, which has step-by-step instructions for setting up the local mail server and Smart Host. Enter an email address to be used when a user attempts to reply to an email notification message. If desired, you can enter a Do Not Reply style address. Enter an email address to be used as the sender in emails sent by Tracker. Select the email header encoding based on the characters being used. Q encoding is recommended when most of the characters are ASCII. Otherwise, B should be used. If you are not sure, use the default value Auto Select. Select a format for the email content. Select the type of authentication to be used when generating email notifications. By default, Anonymous is used. Anonymous authentication will use Tracker's built-in account called puser hostname. If you select Basic, you will need to enter a username and password. Click OK to save the changes. Then configure the individual features that trigger email notifications. Emails triggered by actions like adding, editing, tasking, or deleting are configured in this section. Alerts which send notifications based on a lack of action are managed in this section. For more details about setting up the mail server or any of the email generating options, please review the online help guide by going to support.nrtracker.com and clicking on Manuals. Click on the Administration Guide. Refer to the sections for Email Rules, Mail Server Configuration, and the Alerts feature.